this box is a very special, to me, brand new Louis Vuitton piece that was released in a collection in 2024, but I didn't learn about it until several months after it was released, and by the time I learned about it and immediately knew that I had to have it in my life, no question, it was sold out. It had been sold out for a while. My sales associate couldn't get it. I talked to a friend's sales associate, they couldn't get it. So how did I end up getting it brand new? I'll tell you all that. I'll also tell you about other pieces in this collection. And I'll tell you at the very end about a few pieces that are inspired by the theme of this, that are luxury related, luxury adjacent, that you might be interested in. And I'm going to introduce you to someone very special at the beginning of this video. So stay tuned for all that. And welcome, I'm Autumn Beckman, and I'm here to help you live your most luxurious life within your budget. I post new videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those. Also, don't miss my website, autumnbeckman.com. The shop page is where you'll find handbags and accessories that I have for sale, as well as the My Handbag Collection Organizer, which are planner pages that I've designed to help you organize your handbags and your life. For example, the item tracker page is where you can record all the information about your handbags and small goods. I also have wish list pages, purchase trackers, calendar pages in many different formats, to-do lists, project planning pages, and so much more. Now, I want to introduce you to someone very special. This is Snowball. Say hi, Snowball. He's our new parakeet. I'm gonna do a whole video on Snowball. Please don't eat my ring, thank you very much. I'm gonna do a whole video on Snowball, but it probably won't be until April because he's currently quarantining from the other birds. Well, I didn't think this through. I shouldn't have worn jewelry. Now he's after my necklace. Sir, come on, man. Here, get on my shoulder. So I will do a whole video on Snowball, but it probably won't be until April because he's currently at the beginning of his 30-day quarantine from the other birds, and then we'll have to slowly introduce him to Cedar, my other parakeet. There he goes. He'll probably be back and forth. What did I just say? Throughout the video because he's free flight. He is tame, as you can tell. Cedar is not. Cedar doesn't come on your hands or fly toward you like this little guy. He was hand raised. At the time that you're seeing this video, he will be 8 weeks old. So he's still a wee tiny baby. And I've had him for a few days now and he's just wonderful and perfect. I'm taking lots of video and keeping track of his progress. So I'm sure I'll have a lot to share with you when I do that video later on. All right, let's get to this unboxing. I'll show you what it is and then I'll tell you the story behind how I was able to acquire this. So here we go. It's in the Louis Vuitton shipping box. And that I was not expecting. It is wrapped in wrapping paper. I'll show you that closer in just a second. So cute. There's a little card inside. I did not purchase this directly from Louis Vuitton, but someone else did, and I got it from them. And there's this card, and I'll bring it closer. It has all these adorable dogs. A lot of them are in sunglasses or party hats. It says happy birthday. It is not my birthday. It is nowhere near my birthday. My birthday's in the fall, as you might be able to guess from my name. But what a cute card. And I'll tell you why she sent me a happy birthday card in just a minute. Inside is a nice note that I won't read, but she also sent this as a very sweet, thoughtful little gift, which are little dachshund-shaped paper clips. They're adorable. There's some more shapes they make. There's some cats for you cat people. But there you go. Super cute. I will definitely use those in my planners. And then the wrapping paper. Absolutely adorable party dogs. That is too cute, especially the dachshunds, of course. The person who sent this to me, and she asked me not to use her name, lives in England. Since I couldn't find this piece in the United States, she reached out. A few of you in Australia also reached out to me about this piece because I had mentioned that I was looking for it. But this person reached out and had just purchased one. And I told her I had some reservations about the piece because I had seen some other videos about it. I had seen a couple other unboxings and they looked wonky. They looked really wrinkled and weird. She got this piece, she unboxed it, she sent me videos of it, and it looked great. It does look like it has a little bit of wrinkling, but that's probably designed that way, which I'll talk about in a minute. But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. The reason she wrapped it in festive paper and a birthday card, I thought she was just doing it to make a nice unboxing experience for me, which it certainly is. And I think that was part of it. But she also said she had a strategy behind it, which was that this had to go through customs, and she was thinking if she wrapped it up really nice, that maybe customs would not open it. And then maybe mess it up, or I have no idea. Let's get into it. I thought that was smart. I don't know if that would always work. I'm gonna actually cut the tape with my little box cutter thing because I can reuse this paper in a planner, like to decorate the insides of a journal or something. I did that with one of my journals when Dale of Dale's Addiction had sent me something special. She sent a very nice wedding gift after we got married a couple years ago. A few people sent me wedding gifts. I didn't share those online because I don't know, that felt a little personal. But I also shared the wedding, so that doesn't make a lot of sense. Maybe I didn't want people to think they should be sending me gifts for that. Anyway, I'm just saying that the gift that she sent me was in really lovely wrapping paper. If you've ever seen her Grinchmas, which is her version of Christmas Vlogmas, and you've seen her wrap gifts, she always picks really beautiful wrapping paper. So I used that to cover a journal, and I'm thinking I will use this for the same. Okay, I finally got it all undone, and there's a Louis Vuitton box, as expected. It came with the receipt envelope, which probably has the receipt in it. Thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. Yeah, there's the receipt. It has her address, so I won't share that, obviously. And then this little folder. What is that? I've never seen that before. It's this long folder, and then it has just this blank piece of paper inside for writing a gift message, maybe. But then there's also the gift card on the front. So that's interesting. All right, let's get into this. I'm very excited to see it and then to share some of the other pieces from this collection with you. Here we go. I'm so excited about this one. I thought I wasn't going to be able to find one. So thank you so much to the person who got this for me. You know who you are. Underneath it is another card. What is this? The actual register receipt. All right, here's the little item. And here we go. The big reveal. Opening it up. And I got the Louis Vuitton bone pouch. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And you see what I mean about the wrinkling, but in the videos that she sent me, she was putting some things inside, and she was saying that she thinks, and I agree with her, especially since I keep seeing this on unboxings, that this extra fabric was put in, which creates the wrinkling, so that when you put things inside, it fills it out well. So here is the front of the Louis Vuitton bone pouch with a monogram print. The back, let's get you in focus. The back is vachetta. I think it's the treated vachetta, and hard to see, but it is embossed here with what I'm guessing is the name of this collection. I think it's supposed to say Lovers, but it has the LV logo. Where the O would be is a little paw print, and then it says Vers. On the Louis Vuitton website, for listings that have that word, it's listed as LV space Vers, which I thought was funny. On top, we have a zipper, and on the bottom, we have that. So it's sewn just like the clay, the key pouch, where it does not have piping. That might have been a good thing to add to this, to give the bottom a little more thickness since the top has that thickness. And maybe that would have helped a little with the wonkiness, but I'm good with it. So let's open it up. It has this zipper pull, which she also pointed out to me looks a little aged, like it was designed that way. So we have the zipper that goes around. It's not the easiest zipper because you have to go through all those humps, right? Humps and valleys. There's a little red glazing there. And then when you open it up, let's see, we have this little tag inside that tells you the material. It says exterior is coated fabric and vachetta leather, interior is vachetta leather. Product care guidelines if you want to scan the code. And I would also note on the back of the dust bag, it had this sticker, bone pouch clay. I'm not sure what MNG means. N71, it says Singapore. And then TNT, the style number is M12616. So if that helps you at all. Inside, we have what feels very similar to the vachetta. I'm not sure if it is vachetta or if it's a different material that's wipeable. I would guess it probably is vachetta. And one thing I really love about this is it has this clip. So you can use it inside a bag as a pouch or as a card holder, or you can use it just like you would with their other clays as a bag charm, which is what I plan to do. Here's a quick side-by-side of the bone pouch next to the regular key pouch. A comparison of the chain length, so the bone is slightly longer. And to look at the clips. This is the regular one, this is the bone pouch. And I don't know how obvious it is, but yeah, I think you can see the difference there, where the regular one is shinier and this one's a little more matte, or maybe it's just not catching the light right. It is a little bit more matte and antiqued, but slightly. The chains are also different. This is more uniform. This one has different shapes in the chain. It's very pretty. It's more decorative, I think. I'm so happy to have this. I love it so much. You guys know I had to have this. I needed this. I could not live the rest of my life without this, knowing that it existed in the world and not being in my collection, right? I had to have it. I'm not going to do a whole what fits on this. Minnie Makes For All has a great little short video about that. She's one of the people who has this pouch. I watched her unboxing. Also, I'll just show you real quick. I certainly don't have it filled up, but I put a few gift cards and my car fob in there, and that zips up very easily other than all the lumps and bumps. And you can see how that filled it out a little bit and how you would need that extra material to give you some space in there, because otherwise it would be a very, very flat pouch. Flat, like tight, you wouldn't be able to fit things in it. Oh, and by the way, in case you don't know how to open one of these clips, let me show you. It's not like a lobster clasp where you push it. You have to take this piece with the hinge, lift it, and then pull it out away from the clip. And let's get in focus. And then that's how it opens. And then you do the same thing to close it. It won't close if you just push it. You have to lift it up and then push it back in. I love that kind of clip because it opens wide, which allows you to fit it over a lot of handles that you wouldn't be able to fit some of the other clips over. For example, I want to show you this on a few different bags. Here's how it looks on the Empire 40 from Coach, or if you turn it around, you get more contrast for sure. Here's how it hangs from the Speedy 25 and from the Speedy 30. Here it is from the Neverfull MM. Most of these I'm trying on. I like it better with the vachetta side showing because of the contrast. Here it kind of hides, you can't really see it. And here it is on the Noe GM, the monogram and the vachetta side. That and the Neverfull are probably my favorites. And I could keep going all day showing you this pouch on different bags, but I'll just show one more because it's obligatory. Here it is on my Dachshund bag with the monogram and with the vachetta. And by the way, you may remember this bag if you watched my recent video where my husband Paul ranked his 5 least favorite and 5 most favorite bags from my collection, and this bag fell on one of those ends of the spectrum. He and some other people in the comments were wondering about wearing the bag out. I don't do that. I didn't get this bag to wear it out. I got it as decoration for my office. So if you were concerned about that, which is understandable because I would be concerned about carrying this around too, don't worry about it. It just sits up on the shelves here. It's very cute decoration. Now, I told you I would share some other pieces from this collection and some more affordable pieces related to this theme, which is of course doggos. So here we go. Louis Vuitton, before this collection came out in 2024, which was designed by Pharrell, by the way, they already sold a few pet accessories, including the Baxter pet collars and leashes, and also this travel pet carrier. Now, currently the collars, I think they only used to be offered in 2 sizes, but now there's more of a range of them. Currently they're priced at $420 all the way up to $590. The travel pet carriers, the monogram one, which is currently listed as available for sale at the time I'm filming this video, which is a few days before it's going live. It's listed at $3,550, but they also have a multicolor version from the Murakami drop, which appears to be sold out, but it was $5,000, so you saved yourself some money if you were interested in that. So those were already sold by Louis Vuitton. Now for this collection, and this isn't necessarily an exhaustive list, but these are the things that I found on the website currently. And that doesn't mean they're all available, but I'll tell you when they are. There's another pouch that's also a bag charm, and it's shaped like a paw print. And on the back, it's furry monogram. It's currently listed as available. It's $830. And I will have this and everything I'm mentioning linked in the description box below, whether or not it's available. And then there are 3 bags to tell you about. There's this Keep All Bandolier 50. The bag itself doesn't look like it's part of a dog collection, but it comes with that paw print luggage tag, so it is part of that collection. This bag, not currently available, $3,450. And there's another bone-shaped piece. This is a handbag, but they call it the bone wearable wallet Retails for about $3,600. The link that I have for this is to the European website because it wasn't on the American site as far as I could see. And this amazing pooch bag. It looks like a little French bulldog maybe, is that what it is? $5,400, which I thought was actually pretty reasonable for such a special bag from Louis Vuitton. Not available, of course, totally sold out. Good luck finding one. And then for dog accessories, there's this dog bowl, which comes in basically a little wood trunk that's covered in the monogram canvas. It is currently available, and it has a removable stainless steel bowl. It is currently available, and it's $2,160. So I need several of those if anybody wants to, you know, make a donation. There's also, actually, I'd rather have this, the bone trunk. This is only $19,000. It's a bone-shaped trunk, as you can see, but when you open it up, it is a dog eating station. So it has 2 stainless steel bowls inside. And this, again, I couldn't find on the US website, so I have it linked for the European website. They also have, I don't know why, but these dog berets in 2 sizes. The PM is $430, the GM is $480, and they're both sold out. What dogs are walking around with these? I have not seen them. There were 2 silk scarves that I saw. I swear I saw a third, but it's not currently on the website. So there's this bandana for $260 that has a portrait of a single dog. And then there's this dog scarf. It's a little bigger for $485. I love this so much. If it was a dachshund, it would be here and it would be framed on the wall. It's beautiful. I love it. And 2 pieces of jewelry. There's a bone bracelet for $590, which is so pretty. And then this little paw bracelet for $420. Now, if you don't want to spend that much money on dog accessories, and who could blame you, here are some, and a lot of you have probably heard about these before. They're luxury-inspired accessories for your dog. Bandanas, toys. They change the names and the logos. So Louis Vuitton becomes Chewy Vuitton. Tiffany becomes Sniffany. Coach becomes Pooch. Things like that. So I will have some of these, because they're adorable, linked in the description box below. So that's what I got. I'm so happy to have this, and I'm so appreciative to this person who shall remain nameless over in England who picked this up for me. And it wasn't Gwenny, it was a viewer, just like you. So thank you so much for helping me out with this. It's amazing, and I appreciate everything you did to make this process feel more secure and to make the unboxing special. That was really nice, wrapping everything. So thank you so much. I do appreciate it so much. And also hello to your husband, because you said you were going to force him to watch this video. So hi, husband. Were any of you able to pick up this pouch? I know Meredith got one too. I mentioned Minx. I will link both of their videos, and then I saw a third video from someone sorry I don't remember the name of, but I will link her video below too if you'd like to watch those unboxings as well. Meredith, of course, of Living Lux with Meredith. But were you able to snag one? Did you get anything else from this collection? Was anything tempting to you? Is there anything animal themed that you wish Louis Vuitton would do? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.